Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. Now today's guide video is based on how to delete eBay account permanently. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your eBay account. Now without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open your eBay application. Now once you open the application, the interface kind of look like this. Now on this following page, right on top in the upper left corner, there you can see try bar icon or the 3- icon. You'll have to tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, on the other side you'll have a list of different options. So all you have to do is scroll down and right in the bottom you can see help, tap on it. So next on the other page you will land inside help and contact, and right on top there you can see how can we help you today, and under it there is a search bar, so you'll have to enter delete my account. So as I've entered delete my account, down there you can see right on top there is closing your account and deleting your account. So you'll have to tap on it. So on the other page you have terms and policy. Now make sure to go through it all and then scroll down right to the bottom. Now right at the bottom there is close account and delete my data. Tap on it. So next on the other page you'll have to provide your contact information. So then enter the information. So once you're done entering your information, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So once again on the other page you have the confirmation, so make sure to go through it all. So right at the bottom you'll have to select a reason why you're deleting your eBay account. Now in order to select, all you have to do is tap on the small arrow icon which is right in the corner. Now from here select any one of the following reasons. So once again you'll have to give a reason, so select any one of the following reason and then tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. So once again before deletion of your account there is another confirmation, so make sure to go through it all. So right in the bottom you'll have to tap on the box and then tap on submit request. So now your eBay account is deactivated for 30 days. And after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.